Today, I'm gonna make some videos on working on these mowers. They're really good mowers as far as the cut goes, but personally, I think that they're behind on Skag. This mower here, just for instance, this tire, I had a flat on these tires. They're 4-ply tires, 13 by 6.5. So when you buy John Deere products, now you have to go through, it was Ag Power, now it's Ag United Turf, and their hourly shop rate's like 120 an hour or 110 an hour. It's ridiculous. It's not affordable. It's rape. That's the problem with buying John Deere products. You're going to have to pay some stupid amount of labor just to have this product. When there's, in this industry, the turf industry, John Deere does not lead the industry. You have so many other great companies such as Skag, and Skag is real popular here in Texas. They've been in the industry 30 years. Their quality of their equipment is much better. Anyways, I'm trying to make this point. I'm changing the tire on it. So for this circumstance, I was given an estimate by Ag United Turf for 4 hours of labor. So just say, we're just for easy math, $400, which their hourly rate's like 110, 120, so it's even more than that. It's gonna be closer to 500. The point is, I was told that when I have a flat tire, it's happened to me twice. The second time I called BS. The first time I ended up buying a whole new wheel assembly. Here's the old one. I have two of these machines, WG48A mowers. I ended up buying a new assembly, which I didn't need, now knowing, which is like $150 just for that part, and then I had to have them install it because I was told you couldn't replace these tires on these machines, which is not true. Okay, so I was told 4 hours, right, to take this wheel assembly off and put on the new one. I was told 4 hours. I got a new flat on this one. It kind of just rolled off the rim, so I jacked it up with this hoist that I have here, chain hoist in my little lawnmower, makeshift lawnmower shop. There's the old tire. It just popped right off. You can see the slime and stuff I had in it. It's got a slice in the side of it, which I found very common with these John Deeres. I'm getting slices on the interior of the tires frequently. So here I am. I just jacked it up a little bit, and 4 hours, right? It took me longer to get to this point than it does to take this. Go to Lowe's, buy you this tool. Takes those pins out. It's not called a pin. I don't know the name for it. Anyways, right here is this little, you can't even see it in the video. Anyways, you see the two holes there? There's one here, one there. Now you can see it. 4 hours. All right, we're gonna pop it off. See, it's off now. I don't know what those things are called. I'm not a mechanic. However, my little lawn company here, I'm trying to fix all the things that I can without having a mechanic. There's a little washer here. Okay, so we'll keep that right there so we don't forget how they go. You'd have to be an idiot to forget how they go. All right, guess what? 4 hours. Slides right off. Just take the belt off here. Set oh, that's perfect. Let's see. Because I have baffling kits on my machines, and the problem, I'll tell you right now, this is on changing the wheel assembly. Let's see if I can. said, you know what? It's worth. Snug fit. That's how fast it came off. So in this situation, I had bought a new tire and new wheel assembly. So they would just take which they did to me, was I was an idiot. Please don't be an idiot like me. They took the new wheel assembly with the new tire, popped it back on, charged me over 500 bucks. That's crazy, right? I got a new tire. I ordered off the TSC, Tractor Supply Company. It was like 13 bucks. It's the same tire that comes on these. I think it's a different brand. It's a better brand. And for $13, a little bit of time, great wheel assembly still, new tire. Now I'm gonna pop on the tire. So anyways, that's the video. So don't be fooled that you can't replace a tire on these John Deere 48As, which I think is John Deere 48. John Deere WG48As. Fix it yourself. Back. Anyways, I don't have the pry tools to pop this tire back on. It's something that I'm gonna buy. There's other videos online that show you how to pop these little lawnmower tires back on. I don't have the tools, so I got a great guy just right up the road here in the small town I live in. He'll pop the tire back on me. I'll come back with the price. It's probably gonna be like $10 is all he ever charges me. So again, I'm at 13 bucks, less than 5 minutes to pop it off. I'm gonna run up a couple of blocks over, get my guy to pop it on for me, and then come back and get back at it. However, it will be beneficial to have the tools to pop it on yourself. And then it'll be half the cost. Wow. Oh my gosh. That's it, huh? Look at that.
Leave it there? Oh.
Which one?
Leave it like that, that's good, guys.
There it goes. Nice. That's it. Due to prevent some of the interior slices on my tires is run more air in them. I think the bulge on the side is catching stuff. So I'm gonna run more air in my tires than what I used to run. And actually I'm gonna probably run them at max or maybe just a couple of pounds below to prevent this. So we're back. Remember the situation, 4 hours of labor, $110 an hour, whatever. And then originally telling me I could not replace the tire on my machine. And I had ended up buying a whole wheel assembly, which is actually good because I'm gonna take this wheel assembly. I have an extra spare tire right there. And I'm gonna mount it on this wheel assembly, put it in my truck. On my truck, I have toolboxes with spare parts and stuff that if something breaks down, And this will be perfect because obviously you see how easy it is to put this on and off. So I'm going to set my phone here and slide it back on. Cylinder's there. And I'm just going to... Remember, the point of this video is showing you how to do it to save you money. If you're in the lawn maintenance business, saving money, man. You know, these equipments, you're running them all the time. You know, I'm doing this holding a phone in my hand. Last time I did this, my nephew was with me. But anyways, you want to save money? You can't be spending that much money on repairs and crap with these people. Here on this model and lock it in. See, it pulls it up, which opens these pulleys up, and see now how loose the belt is. It'll go back on the pulley easier. Watch. It'll just pop right on. That breakup, I should have done it when I took the tire off. That way, driver or popped off. Anything like that in here that might bend or affect the pulley. So you got the belt on. Now release the brake to open up the mechanism, the brake, so it'll go back around and get on there, which it's on. The belt is stopping it. Come on in, just lock it. Let's see. Lock it. I got it. Can I hurt it? Pop there. Release that. Or done this. The point is you got these mechanics, and John Deere's got good mechanics. I ain't talking personally bad about nobody. I'm just stating the facts, man. You gotta save your own money. Put the washer back on, remember? Put the pin back on. I don't know what they call them. It's not a cotter pin. That's what I want to call it. Let's see. Do this whole little phone. All right. It's back on. Everything's back on. Sorry I ain't got somebody in here videoing it. The point is if you own these models or any model of a tractor, we use these commercial walk behinds because they're cheap. As far as cost, we get them cheaper. But if you look at our website, crixsturf.com, man, they stripe. Oh my God. The cut is beautiful. And we try to keep our costs minimized. So when you can do little things like this, you're talking about saving $150 for the wheel assembly, which they told me I had to buy. They quoted me 4 hours on labor. You're looking at about $450. Just say $400 for easy math. I think, and so you're looking at $150 on parts plus 4. You're at $550. By the time you've done that a couple of times, you could have bought a lawnmower lift. You could have invested in other areas of in the field rather than just pouring money into John Deere.